What is going on, family? What's going on? This is your Uncle Yafree J, and I'm certainly happy to have another moment where I can speak to my beautiful, beautiful family, nephew, nieces, cousins, aunties, and everybody. I'm so glad that I get this opportune moment to speak to you. Listen, Aunt just wants to drop off just a little wisdom, a little something for you to think about, a little something to help you grow and enlarge in whatever area of your life you need to enlarge in. Listen to this. We are a mighty people. And I want to make that plain. We are a mighty people, melanated people, baby. We're a mighty people. But watch this. We're the only people on this planet that can be given zero. Yes, zero, nothing. And yet we can take zero and we can create something from the front of it, from the back of it, and we can create something from the sideways of it. I'm going to say it again. We're the only people on the planet. Give us zero and we can create something in the front of zero, in the back of zero, and sideways from zero. This is what we do. We are those people who can do that. And you might ask, well, how is it that we do that? Well, here's your answer. It's called the mystery. That's who we are. We are the mystery and the master creators of all that is. We are the mystery and the master creators of all that is. The world resonates off of everything that we do. They copy everything that we do. They copy our dances. They copy our food. They copy our songs. They copy our slang. They copy our swag. They copy our men, our women. They copy how we walk in a room. They copy how we leave a room. They copy out everything that we do. They copy how we wear our hats. How do you put your glasses on? They copy how we wear our jewelry. They copy everything about us. They copy how we sing, how we preach, how we praise dance, and how we break dance. They copy everything about us. Why is that? Because we are the master creators. We are the mystery that the universe still cannot explain, but we know who we are. So what are you saying, Aunt? What I'm saying to you is uncles, aunts, nephews, nieces, everybody in the world, listen to me. What I'm saying to you is if we have that type of power and that type of influence, that the world resonates off of everything that we create, then we need to create in a way that it blesses and benefits us. What are you talking about? I'm not going to go through all the forms of how we need to create, but here's the one thing that we need to create with each other. And when we do that, the world will respond to what we create since they copy everything anyway. And what is that? Respect. We need to respect each other. I know there's a lot of things going on out here right now. The world is crazy. Racism is on the rise. All kind of things are happening. The economy is bad. It's crazy. But the one thing that we need to do, since the world copies everything that we do, the one thing we need to do is respect each other. And when we learn to respect each other, we're teaching the world how to respect us. I'm going to say that again. When we learn to respect each other, we're teaching the world how to respect us. This is some wisdom Aunt wants to drop on you. We got to stop mean mugging. We got to stop looking at each other and not having an affinity to one another, but having a hatred towards one another. We have to stop that because when the world sees that, they do the same thing. When we call ourselves ninjas, they call us ninjas, you see. When we call ourselves the B words, then they turn around and call us the B words. Notice, they're not brilliant at all. But only thing they do is copy whatever we do. And they project it on them as if it's them. So the one thing that we need to learn how to do is to respect each other. And when we learn how to do that, then the world has to turn around and give us that respect because we're teaching them how to treat us by what they see us do. And in turn, they copy the respect we have for each other by returning respect back to us. Listen, I just wanted to drop that wisdom. Listen, share this with somebody. Share it with somebody. If it's on YouTube, if you're on YouTube, hit like, hit subscribe on my YouTube page. Please, sir, please, ma'am, do that for me. But this is what we need to do. Pass this on. When we respect each other, then we create an atmosphere that the world will respect us too. Listen, guys, you know, I always say, man, I love all of y'all. I love all of y'all. Until next time, babies, take care of yourself. Unc loves you. Peace.